بنعلق الناس على MatarTV واهلا وسهلا فيكم بفيديو 5 tips for learning the Arabic language. Let's go. A lot of you want to learn the Arabic language, but they still need a lot of tips on how or what and how exactly to dive in the Arabic language. That's why I'm here. Number one, to know the difference between the Arabic. It's really weird to actually say that, but there's actually different varieties of Arabic. It's not like English where you just say and write it. I think Spanish as well the same, and also French the same. However, in Arabic, the situation is a little bit different. So number one, to know the varieties of Arabic. If you want to know the varieties of Arabic, you can watch my video over here to explain the difference between the Arabic. It's still also weird how to say it. The Arabic varieties. I don't know, something like that. Once you know the difference between the classical Arabic, the modern standard Arabic, and the spoken Arabic, then we can jump into the number two. To know your end goal. What do you want to achieve when you are learning Arabic language? Do you want to be a journalist? Do you want to write articles in newspaper? Or do you want to communicate with your spouse, with your parents, with your girlfriend, with your, I don't know, friends, society, locals? It can be anything. When you know your end goal, then you know where you're headed. So now we have pick out which Arabic you want to learn. 2, write down a plan on where you're headed. And when you do, you can jump into the 3, which is take advantage of the free language resources. There's no doubt that you need really good resources. And also because I want to bring value to you, that you want to learn Arabic language, I decided to give away my book for free. Yes, for free. I wanted to charge $50 for it, but then I decided I will not do, and I just give it away for free because Arabic hospitality and stuff, you know. The book is called Lebanese Situation Dictionary, and the book has a lot of pictures about the situations that you may encounter in your daily life. And under the pictures, there's the vocabulary related to it in English and also in Arabic. And at the end of the book, there's a dictionary from English to Arabic. So if you want to get your book now, you can go to my website or just click the link in the description and also in the comment section down below. Just, I don't know, not here, but like down. So if you want to get it, go ahead and you're welcome. And also one of the things that I always tell, because that's what I did when I was learning German, is to watch movies and series with subtitles. There are Arabic movies out there with subtitles that you can understand. I don't want to say any of the movies or the series over here because I don't want to promotion and such, because I don't know if I'm allowed to do it. But at first, if you are still a beginner, you can always switch on the subtitles and watch it. If you are advanced, do not. So go ahead and get some resources, watch some movies, listen to music, because the music also enters your heart. So it also helps you to learn the Arabic language fast, or the spoken Arabic. That's the difference. Number 5, and it's the last thing, is to find a buddy. When you find someone that can correct you, that can talk to you, that can help you with vocabulary, help you with a dictionary, help you in the current situations, that is great. If you do not have a buddy, no problem. There is actually something after you get the free book. So go ahead and get the book. Oh, there's the outro.
Damn, son.
Thank you for watching. Thank you everyone for watching this video. If you like it, please like, share, and comment, subscribe. I hope this video was valuable to you and bring you some kind of value into learning the Arabic language. Again, if you want the book, it's in the description and also in the comment section down below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.